Good morning, guys. This is Gail with Gail Southern Living. Today I'm doing a collaboration hosted by Heather with Milk and Honey Heritage Farms and me, Gail, with Gail Southern Living. And this is hashtag HGW, which stands for Healthy Goals Wednesday. But I'm going to put this out on a Monday because I need a video, but I'm also going to put out a video Wednesday. So today I'm making chaffles. Now, I very first saw this on Just Jason Keto, and I will link his videos or his channel in the description box. And he has a lot of savory and sweet options for that. But today I'm going to make a savory one. So first I'm going to start out with 3 eggs. And I didn't find an exact recipe. I didn't follow one of Jason's because I didn't want to be copycatting him. I just looked up a basic Google recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and beat these 3 eggs. So I'm just going to kind of do mine by feel when it looks right to me. And I would love to try a sweet option later. Maybe when I get some of those Lily's dark chocolate chips. Okay, I think that's good. Now, last time I made these, I did not put any flour or anything like that, but I wanted it to have a little bit more of a bread consistency, so I'm going to add in some almond flour. This is a teaspoon, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Not much, just a little bit. All right, I'm also going to add in 2/3 cup of sharp cheese. Now, sharp cheese is supposed to have less fat in it than regular cheese. So it's 2/3 cup of sharp cheese. And I did 2 slices of Canadian bacon. This is actually a little bowl from my grandmother that she left me on my mom's side. And so I chopped up 2 slices of Canadian bacon. Get all of that out of there. Now, I have trouble eating lots and lots of eggs without flavor in them, so I thought this would be a good way. So I'm just making this out of ingredients that I have at my house. I'm going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to let this sit. After I mix it, I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of pepper. This came in my Caesar salad pack, so I need to replace my pepper. So I thought I would just add a little bit, just a pinch of salt from this little packet. Now I'm going to mix this up. Like I said, I'm going to let it rise for about 30 minutes, just in case, and then I'm going to add it into the chaffle maker, and I'll show you what it looks like. You could also add bell peppers, onions. I personally would probably grill those up first so they're not crunchy, but I'm not into crunchy things like that. Olives would be good. Wilted spinach would be great. Some savory, some sweet options. You could do some sugar-free Lily's chocolate chips. You could add in some nuts. You could even add in some protein powder if you were going to do a sweet version. Vanilla, all kinds of stuff. There's so many things you could add in. So this is my version today, and this is probably going to be several lunches for me, or at least 2 lunches for me. So each egg has 6 grams of fat. So if I ate all of this, that would be 18 grams of protein, not fat, protein. 18 grams of protein, a little bit more for the cheese and a little bit more for the Canadian bacon. All of those things would also have some protein, but I don't think I'm going to be able to eat it all. So this will probably be 2 lunches for me, or 1 lunch and 1 breakfast. So I'm all done with that. I'm going to let this rise for about 30 minutes. I'll come back, put it in the waffle maker, and show you what it looks like. All right, I got it plugged in, cleaned up because I haven't used it in a while. And I got this scoop to scoop some on. I'm going to try not to overfill it. This one actually has shapes, a giraffe, an elephant, and a tiger, I think, because I got it when the kids were small. I did also add a dash of salt. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding this in. Let me go ahead and get something real quick. Okay, I don't have any cooking spray. I'm currently out. I'm like about 2 days from going to the grocery store on hubby's payday. So I'm just going to pour in a little bit of olive oil into each little section. Just a tiny bit. Kind of move that around a little bit where it kind of fills all the sections so it doesn't stick. All right, so I'm going to start adding in the mixture. This is totally different from what I did last time, so we'll see how this turns out. I feel like I filled them too full. But anyway, we're going to see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. I'll bring you back when this light turns green because that'll mean it's done. Alright guys, here's how they turned out. The elephant and the giraffe look pretty good, except for I pulled the giraffe's head off. The tiger I already started eating, but it's really good. I have another set in here and a little bit more over here. But I really like it. It's really good. I feel like onion would have made it even better, but the sharp cheese mixed with the Canadian bacon is a really good flavor, and the seasonings. So I would definitely recommend this. I will put the recipe that I made today in the description box of this video. I kind of just looked at some recipes and kind of come up with my own thing. So I really like what I did here. And I'm going to leave my waffle maker where I can find it so I don't continue to have to look for it. So I'm going to start using it more, so I'm going to put it somewhere a little closer to where I can get to it. So I definitely recommend these. And I hope you'll put out a video for Healthy Goals Wednesday. Heather and I are inviting you guys in to make a recipe, talk about things you're eating, your snacks, a dinner, whatever you want. Talk about exercising, walking, whatever you want to talk about. And use the hashtag tag me and Heather so we can add you to the playlist. And if you are starting some healthy goals for 2025, check out the playlist on my channel, and also Heather has a playlist on her channels. We're doing shorts and long form videos, so whatever you want to do, but be sure we get it and we get you added to the playlist. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys. Bye, everybody.